Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, tachometer, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque, Ford F-350 Super Duty. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.